Listen, BG Wealth Sharing is being exposed for helping a lot of people. Now, I'm just documenting my journey. I'm going to be honest. Initially, when I heard about it, I was like, nah, saying I'm good. But then later, I was seeing people winning and having success. And I was like, let me consider this because I'd rather try it and then realize, okay, that wasn't for me versus wish I had of. And then time continues to pass on and not do anything that could have benefited me and my family. But I will say this: this is what you gotta understand. Be careful who you listen to. And I'm just sharing this as documenting. This is an experiment. But from what I'm seeing, it's helping a lot of people, and for many people, it's considered to be somewhat of a godsend. And it's so simplistic, but rooted in a win-win situation for many people. So I'm gonna show you day 17, but at the time of this recording, I'm really on like day 34, but I'm gonna show it step by step. So at the time of this recording, I've already doubled my investment. I've already made more than I put in, and some, and it's positioning me to help others who want to help themselves. No selling or telling required. All you got to do is understand copy trade. Now, a lot of times people hear about BG Wealth sharing and they're like, oh, it's a scam, it's this, it's too good to be true, you know. And I get that. I get having that perspective, having that discernment, being skeptic. I get being a skeptic. I'm not even the type of person that's gonna knock you for being skeptical. But if you don't see something that could potentially benefit you and do your vetting and at least give it a shot, then I don't know what to tell you, because this right here is not about convincing you. What we do is just share what's working for us, share our journey, share the success, and if people want to join, they can. If not, no big deal, no pressure. But what I also want you to understand is vet who you're listening and getting information from, because sometimes people who are knocking something and saying it's a scam, is this, is that, it's rooted from a good place. They're really trying to look out for you in many cases. However, some of them don't have their own experience to really speak from a place of truth, speak from a place of them actually knowing firsthand. They're just passing down secondhand information, and in many cases passing down their previous traumas. I get it. I get it. So I'm not even knocking the people who's saying that it's not a good fit. I'm just saying that you need to do your own due diligence, go within, but you're going to have to learn to go without. Now, on the side, you should see, my day 17. You should have also seen basically how easy it is to do a copy and paste trade. But this is what you got to understand. It's a lot of things that people may say about BG Wealth Sharing, but copy trading, I want you to look up copy trading, because copy trading is a true thing. And many people won't deny that that's a legit way that people can get into the trading game. There are platforms that allow people to copy the trades of other experts, and then they win or lose based on the trade that they copy. And some people have a decent success rate. You got people who have copy trading and they're like, hey, I got a 70% success rate. You can join my group, and they're selling that, and nobody's calling that a scam because copy trading is a real thing. This right here has allowed people to have a higher win rate. It's hard to believe that it's 99% success rate. That's hard to believe. But I've seen it for myself, so I can't deny it because I'm seeing it with my own eyes, and the ability for people to pull out money, double their money. I'm seeing it for myself. But copy trading is a real thing. So if you look and you see what copy trading is, then that ought to let you know, oh, all it is copy trading. But the platform is rooted in creating win-win scenarios. So it's a sharing component to it that can allow you to help others while also helping yourself. It's nothing better than a win-win scenario. So I really want this to be something that you vet for yourself. But I'm just documenting my journey. If you want to be a part of my community, my team, the Royalty Movement, powered by BG Wealth Sharing, there should be some information down below. If not, comment, and then I'll let you know how you could be a part of my team as I document the journey and help as many people as possible as I see the benefits of this. And this is really the angle I come from. I'd rather share this with you than to not share it and wish I did. What do I mean? Well, when I start putting in my numbers and I realize, okay, by the end of this year, a $500 investment, $531 to be exact, 521 or 531, but you get the point. If that's on track to be 25K by the end of the year, and say I made that investment, grew it to 25K by the end of the year, and I didn't tell a soul, me personally, My nature is, if I got something of benefit that can help someone else, I'm just naturally willing to share it, because I know people are looking for solutions and looking for, ways to get ahead. So why not share it? So anytime I share it, I'm coming from a place of listen. No guarantees, investment hazards, risk. This is not financial advice. This is experimental and educational purposes only. But hey, I would rather share this and give you the opportunity to decline and say no than to not share it and look up and wish I had. Like, man, yeah, that 500, it grew to 25. Now it's like, dang, why you didn't tell me? Why you didn't share it with me? That's how I would feel. If a person had something that they knew was resulting in results. So you do with that information what you will. But this represents day 17. But at the time of this recording, I'm like on day 34. I just want to document the journey. And if you follow along the process, then by all means, you decide if this is something for you. If not, no big deal. All love. Salute.